Hey crafting friends, it's Carolina Moore from alwaysexpectmore.com and 30minutecrafts.com, and I'm here today with another fun Annie's crafting kit. These are so much fun and I can't wait to show you what's inside this one. Let's take a peek. Some adorable patriotic signs. These are going to be perfect for all kinds of patriotic holidays or just to keep up in a patriotic home. But I might give one of those frames my own little spin and do something a little different. You ready? Let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the kit, and just like always, Annie's has just about everything that you need in here. It's got my transfers, it's got my wood pieces, it's got paint brushes, it's even got my gloves and ribbon, everything that I need to go ahead and get started. I used the materials included in the kit to go ahead and paint my backgrounds white and stain my frames, and I went ahead and used one of the rub-on transfers to make this one along with the ribbon included in the kit, and I absolutely love it and I think it's adorable and so cute, but I thought for this one I would do something a little bit different. And I have this quote from, it's actually a tab from a planner, and it just says "Let's sleep in." You can pick whatever quotes, you can print something off the internet, whatever you want, and it fits perfect inside my frame. And the frame already has the hanging hook right on there, so I'm just going to center this up. Now here's a trick for centering. You want to find the middle and you want to go up to about 1/3 and make that the centering for your design, and that's what's called optically centered. Just tracing the inside with a pencil real quick, and then I'm going to use scissors to cut about 1/4 inch away from that line. I made sure to trace those pencil lines really light so they'll be easy to erase. Gonna go ahead and check the fit, and the fit is good. So now I'm going to go ahead and erase any of those lines to make sure that they're not visible. I can actually just set this right inside my frame, and I can always change it out later. Then I'll take my wooden piece, put it right behind, and I can just close up the frame. And it's all set. That easy to make my own custom quote frame, or you can follow the directions to make your patriotic frames. So there you go, 2 fun frames, totally different, totally simple, made from the same kit. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so I can see you right here real soon. Thanks so much for watching.